Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel.
Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
Dave, I have an important question.
Okay. Should I be worried?
Maybe.
Oh, no.
Imagine this. Tomorrow morning, you wake up, you check your phone, and you receive a message.
Okay.
The message says, "Congratulations, you can have any job in the world."
Any job?
Any job.
Wow. This is serious.
Take your time.
I need at least 3 business days.
Really?
Choosing a pizza topping is difficult. Choosing a dream job is impossible.
That's fair.
Can I choose professional sleeper?
Professional sleeper?
Yes, I sleep. People pay me. Everybody wins.
I don't think that's a real job.
That's disappointing.
Okay, let's try again. What was your dream job when you were a child?
Oh, that one is easy.
Tell me.
When I was 6 years old, I wanted to be a dinosaur.
A dinosaur?
Yes.
That's not a job.
I didn't know that. I was 6.
Okay. After the dinosaur phase?
I wanted to be a pilot
Really? Why?
because I thought pilots traveled for free.
That's actually a good reason.
Thank you. What about you? What was your dream job?
When I was little, I wanted to be a teacher.
That makes perfect sense.
Really? Why?
Because you're patient, you're kind, and you always explain things.
That's very sweet.
Also, you ask a lot of questions.
That's true.
Did you ever become a teacher?
No. Life had different plans.
Life usually does.
So, what is your dream job now?
Honestly,
Yes.
my dream job is having a job that I enjoy.
That's interesting.
I don't need to be famous. I don't need to be rich. I just want to enjoy my work.
I understand. That's actually a beautiful answer.
Thank you. I prepared it during the last 30 seconds.
What kind of work would make you happy?
Maybe a travel writer.
Really?
Yeah, I would travel, meet new people, eat different food, and write about my experiences.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you? What's your dream job now?
Honestly, my dream job is helping people.
Really? How?
I like teaching, I like listening, and I like making people feel comfortable.
That's very you.
Thank you.
Do you think dream jobs change as we get older?
Absolutely. When we're children, we dream about exciting jobs.
Like being a dinosaur.
Exactly.
I still think I had potential.
As adults, we often dream about different things.
Like what?
Balance, peace, meaning.
Wow. That's true.
What do you think is more important, a high salary or a job you love?
Oh. That's a dangerous question.
Why?
Because I want both.
Of course you do.
I'm just being honest.
If you had to choose.
Honestly, I think I would choose a job I love.
Really?
Yeah. Because we spend so much of our life working.
That's a very thoughtful answer.
Thank you. I have one thoughtful answer every episode.
And you've already used it?
Probably.
Dave, you said your dream job is being a travel writer.
That's right.
Have you always wanted to travel?
Absolutely. Ever since I was a child.
Really? Where did you want to go?
Everywhere. But especially places I saw on television.
Like where?
Japan, Italy, and anywhere with good food.
Of course. Food is important.
Very important.
Did you ever try to prepare for your dream job?
Actually, yes.
Really? Tell me.
When I was 13 years old, I decided to become a famous writer.
Oh, wow. What happened?
I bought a notebook.
That's a good start.
Then I wrote one page.
Only one page?
Writing is hard.
What did you write about?
My summer vacation.
That sounds normal.
The problem was, I didn't go anywhere that summer.
Oh, no.
So I invented everything.
Really?
Yes, according to my story, I climbed a mountain, I found treasure, and I became friends with a monkey.
That's amazing.
Thank you. My imagination was very strong.
Did anyone read it?
Unfortunately, yes.
Who?
My teacher.
What did she say?
She asked, "Dave, are you sure this really happened?"
What did you say?
I said, "Not exactly."
That's one way to answer.
It was a difficult conversation.
I can imagine.
What about you? Did you ever try to prepare for your dream job?
Actually, yes.
Really? Tell me.
When I wanted to become a teacher, I practiced teaching.
That's adorable. Who were your students?
My dolls.
Seriously?
Yes, every afternoon after school.
What did you teach?
Math, English, science, everything.
Were your students good?
Not really. They never answered questions.
Sounds like difficult students.
Very difficult.
Did you ever get angry?
Once.
Really? What happened?
I gave homework. Nobody did it.
That's terrible.
I was very disappointed.
What did you do?
I stopped class early.
That's fair.
You know, when we're children, our dream jobs seem very simple.
That's true.
We think being a doctor means helping people,
And being a pilot means traveling.
and being a teacher means teaching dolls.
Exactly.
But when we get older, we realize every job is more complicated.
Very true.
Did your dream job change after you started working?
Absolutely.
How?
When I got my first job, I realized something important.
What?
I didn't need a perfect job.
Really?
Yeah, I just wanted work that made me feel happy.
That's a wonderful lesson.
And I also learned something else.
What's that?
I definitely don't want to be a professional sleeper.
I thought that was still your dream.
Only on weekends.
That's very reasonable.
Thank you. I always try to be realistic.
Dave, do you remember what your parents wanted you to become?
Oh yes, very clearly.
Really? What did they want?
My mother wanted me to become a doctor.
That's a common dream.
Very common. Unfortunately, I was not a very good future doctor
Why not?
because I was afraid of blood.
That could be a problem.
A very big problem.
Did you ever tell your mother?
Yes, she was disappointed for about 5 minutes. Then she asked if I wanted to become an engineer.
And?
I told her I was also bad at math.
Oh, no.
Eventually, she gave up.
That's a funny story.
What about your parents? Did they have a dream job for you?
Not really.
Really?
They always said, choose something you enjoy.
That's wonderful.
I'm very grateful for that.
Did your family support your dreams?
Always, even when my dreams changed.
How many times did they change?
Too many times.
Tell me.
When I was 6, I wanted to be a teacher.
Okay.
When I was 10, I wanted to be a singer.
Interesting.
When I was 15, I wanted to be a fashion designer.
Wow. You had many dreams.
I really did.
Did you ever sing?
Unfortunately, yes.
Can I hear an example?
Absolutely not.
Please.
No.
Just one song.
Dave, no.
Okay, I tried.
What about you? Did your dream job change many times?
Almost every year.
Really?
When I was 8, I wanted to be an astronaut.
That's exciting.
Then I learned that astronauts study science.
And?
I changed my mind.
What happened next?
Then I wanted to be a professional athlete.
Wow. Were you good at sports?
Not at all.
That's unfortunate.
Very unfortunate. My sports career ended before it started.
And after that?
Then, I wanted to be rich.
That's not a job.
I learned that much later.
You know, I think children choose dream jobs for interesting reasons.
What do you mean?
They don't think about money
Or stress?
or responsibility.
That's true.
They think about excitement
And happiness.
and dinosaurs.
Yes, and dinosaurs.
You know, sometimes I think adults forget how to dream.
That's an interesting thought.
When we're young, we dream without fear.
That's true.
But when we get older,
We start worrying about everything.
money, family,
Work, the future.
exactly.
Do you think that's a bad thing?
Not always.
But I think it's important to keep dreaming.
I agree.
Maybe our dream jobs change, but our dreams never really disappear.
Wow, I really like that.
Thank you. I think that's my thoughtful answer for today.
Really? Already?
Yes, I only get one per episode.
Then we should save it.
Good idea. I might need it later.
You know, Dave, after today's conversation, I've been thinking about something.
Really? What is it?
I think our dream jobs are not really about jobs.
That's interesting. What do you mean?
I think they're about the kind of life we want.
Wow, I never thought about it that way.
When I wanted to be a teacher, I think I wanted to help people.
That makes sense.
And when you wanted to be a travel writer, you wanted freedom.
That's true. I wanted adventure. And good food.
Of course.
Food is part of every dream.
Maybe.
Do you think people can have more than one dream job?
Absolutely. I think our dreams change as we change.
I agree. When I was young, I thought success meant having a lot of money.
And now?
Now, I think success means enjoying your life.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. I learned that from getting older.
Do you ever regret not becoming your childhood dream?
Honestly? No.
Really? Why?
Because if I became a dinosaur, life would be very difficult.
That's true.
And I don't think many companies hire dinosaurs.
Probably not.
What about you? Do you have any regrets?
Not really.
Why?
Because every experience taught me something.
I like that.
Sometimes our dreams don't come true, but we discover new dreams.
Wow. That's a very hopeful way to think.
Thank you.
Can I tell you a secret?
Of course.
I still have a dream job.
Really? What is it?
I want a job where I can travel, eat delicious food, meet interesting people, and never wake up early.
That sounds impossible.
I know, but that's why it's called a dream job.
Fair point.
What about you? What's your dream job now?
Honestly, a job that gives me purpose, a job that helps people, and a job that gives me time for family and friends.
That's a wonderful answer.
Thank you.
You know, maybe the perfect job doesn't exist.
Really?
Yeah, but I think the perfect life might.
What does that look like?
Doing meaningful work, spending time with people you love, laughing often, and eating good pizza.
You almost had a perfect answer.
I couldn't resist.
Before we finish, let's ask our listeners a question.
Good idea.
What is your dream job?
Has your dream changed over time?
And what makes a job truly meaningful for you?
We'd love to hear your answers.
And remember, it's okay if your dreams change.
Because growing up means learning more about yourself.
And sometimes the dream changes because you change.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Well, If anyone is hiring a professional pizza traveler, please call me.
I think you would be perfect for that job.
Finally, someone believes in my dream.
Always.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.